Namaste students. Today we will tell something about interference. Interference first. Interference means two waves of same frequency, same or different amplitude. They superimpose each other. Then the observed resultant wave will differ from the original frequencies. So first write down the definition. Definition is that when two light waves of same frequency and wavelength superimpose each other, we will get redistribution of energy, its maximum or minimum at some point. These are known as interference points, and the phenomenon is known as interference. Actually, the redistribution of energy is known as interference. Now, redistribution of energy will consider as an example of Young's double slit experiment. In this experiment, we have one main source. This is source. From this source, two sources will come. Two sources means coherent sources. So first you write down coherent source definition. Coherent sources are two sources which send frequency of light of same frequency, wavelength, either zero phase difference or constant phase difference. So from this source, two sources will come. Means we will okay, this source S1, this one S1, sorry, S1, S2. From here lights are coming. So through this source some light is coming, and from this S2 some another light is coming. They will superimpose each other. When they superimpose, we will get different intensity of light. Some one screen is there. The distance capital D, suppose, and this is small d. Source S1 to S2 is small d. Now at this point, from this we will consider another point, a distance small y. This is P, this is Q. Okay, we have to calculate intensity at Q point. Now source ka light coming from S1 is this, and S2 is this. From S1 and S2 some distribution is there. Now this is our this small d, so this will be d by 2. This is also d by 2. Okay, so first we write S2p square minus S1p square. S2p, sorry, S2q. S2q minus S1q. S2q Pythagoras theorem we can apply directly. You can write d square plus this y plus d by 2 whole square. This is S2p means m n. S2p equal to S1 S2m square plus qm square from right triangle S2QM. This is, and minus S1Q. S1Q means d square minus y minus d by 2 whole square. So this will cancel. So ultimately 4y d by 2 equal to yd. This much one. S2Q square minus S1Q square equal to 2yd. Okay. Now this one equation came. Just I write here S2Q square minus S1Q square equal to 2yd. Now S2 is square minus b square. We can write as a plus b, a minus b. Okay. S2Q plus S1Q. This is, we can write 2d. This is our, from this to this source screen is capital D. Now S1Q and S2Q is nearly equal to capital D. It will be. For small approximation, this second is equal. And S2Q minus S1Q. S2Q minus S1Q. This is the part difference. Delta X. Delta X equal to y small d by capital D. Okay, this much part difference. Now if you calculate part difference, then it will be easy. Now what is our for maximum? For maximum, this part difference is even multiple of lambda by 2 pi. For maximum, part difference is even multiple. Even multiple means 2n into lambda by 2. Even multiple of lambda by 2. So we have y small d by capital D equal to n lambda, or y equal to n lambda capital D by small d. N is a simple number. It is integral. Part difference is even multiple lambda by 2. So even means n is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way it will come. So we will get maximum point means bright point. We will get bright point at n equals 0 first, then lambda capital D by small d, then 2 lambda capital D by small d, 3 lambda capital D by small d. These points, if y from center point P is this 0 lambda capital D by small d, 2 lambda capital D by small d, then you get maximum bright point. Okay, and for minimum, this much. Okay, and for minimum, this is odd multiple of lambda by 2. 2n plus 1. 2n means even number. Even into lambda by 2 is odd multiple. 2n plus 1. So delta x equal to y small d by capital D. 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, or y equal to 2n plus 1 lambda capital D by to small d. Okay, so we'll get minimum point or dark point. First, and when 0 substitute, then it will become lambda capital D by 2d, 3 lambda capital D by 2d, 5 lambda capital D by 2d, etc. Okay, so minimum also you have calculated, means we'll get bright point at 0 lambda capital D by small d and 2 lambda capital D by small d, this way. And for dark fringe we'll get this. Now fringe width, I wrote definition. Fringe width is the difference between two bright consecutive points or two dark consecutive points of the interference, interference. Okay, so what will be our beta fringe width? Beta equal to, and you take 2 lambda capital D by small d minus lambda capital D by small d equal to lambda capital D by small d, or beta dash equal to this 3 lambda capital D by 2d minus lambda capital D by 2d equal to lambda capital D by small d. Means fringe width is our equal, beta and beta dash this equal. So we will get bright and dark point, it's same intensity. So our graph will be this is the graph, means equal intensity, these are equal, this equal intensities. Okay, this intensity, this is small d. Okay, this much.